Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a clock out of old clutch from a car. I used a clutch out of my Porsche 924, but any clutch will work for this. I used an old one just because I don't want to buy a new one just to make a clock. So for this, what you need is this clock mechanism I bought off AliExpress. I have a link for where to buy it down below, or you can just look up clock. I got the longest one they had, which was 32 millimeters. Just because you have to put it all the way through the clutch. But despite buying the largest clock mechanism, it was still too big for my clutch. So I had to grind away part of my clutch just to get it so the mechanism can go all the way through. As you can see, after I grind away the clutch, the mechanism did fit in through the clutch, so I could screw it in on the other end.
Grinding on the clutch, watch me rev it up in my Porsche 924, yeah, we're living it up. Got a plan in mind, gotta shift it into gear, turning heads on the block, making crystal clear. Ripping through the streets to the engine roll.
So I also gave the clutch a quick clean with brake cleaner, just to tidy it up a bit before I put it in the house.
Putting all the haters down, that's what we're living for. But I got a vision, something out of the norm, turning my Porsche into a clock, that's the form.
Now, to actually display the clutch, you could probably do a mounting system, but what I did is I just bought a plate holder off AliExpress and put the clutch on it, and then put the hands on the clutch.
Clockwork gears now ticking inside. My Porsche transformed, got nothing to hide. Working day and night, perfection in groove. A symbol of my grind, got everything to prove.
And that's how I built the clutch clock. Thanks for watching.